That's good. Get up all the little fuzz buddies. Very good. Good deal. Yep. Okay. Pull it on there. Pull it on there, yep. Hold on. Yeah, try it now. Good deal. Good deal. Now, Anthony, before everyone starts saying anything, it is my job to train you. Just like yesterday, you want to do 3 lines over wet, 3 lines back wet, and then come back over it dry.
Wait, say that again?
So you want come over 3 triangles wet, and then 3 triangles dry, and then back over it. I mean, 3 triangles wet, 3 triangles wet, and then come back over the same triangles dry. Just like yesterday. The reason why you want to come over 3 triangles wet one way and come over the same triangles is because you want to make sure both sections get it the same cleaning, the same amount of wet cleaning. Then you come over it dry. Okay? Right. So get your groove. Don't worry about nothing. Take your time, get your groove. Set the hoses up and everything the way you need them to be. Nice and slow. Remember, you want to let that steam really build up. My system is heat on demand. Very nice. See, because you did that cross-rotating brush machine, see how everything is loose and how much brighter the carpet is coming? No, you were supposed to come back wet and then come back dry. So, that's okay. Come back over, start over where you just started. Right.
Come back over and wet.
Right. And then you're going to come back dry, and then you're going to do it dry.
3 times.
Right. The last time dry.
Oh, coming back dry.
Right. So keep it on. Keep the trigger on, and then come back dry. No. When you come, okay. When I say come, keep the trigger going all 3 triangles, and then when you come back over the triangles, you'll let off the trigger.
I don't know what to do.
Yeah, you're doing it right. Keep on. That's what I mean. Right there. Now, keep going. Now keep squeezing the trigger and come back over the same section. Keep squeezing the trigger and come back over the same section. That's it. Keep squeezing it. That's it. That's it. Not so fast. Nice and slow. You're washing the rug right now. This is heat on demand. The longer you squeeze the trigger, the hotter the water is going to get. Very good. Now, wait, stop. Look at your thermometer there. What's it read? Turn it so I can see.
198.
What?
Close to 200.
Right. See that? Right. So now, the more you squeeze the trigger, the hotter it's going to get. So that's why you want to get nice, slow, even strokes. The hotter the water gets, the brighter the carpet's going to come. Outstanding. Remember that wear area you're going over right now? All going. All going. A lot of carpet cleaners, she said she had Stanley steamer in here, they would have told her that was permanent, that it wouldn't come up. Nice and slow. Not so slow, but keep it even. Yeah. No, keep trigger going.
Over this, though.
Oh, okay.
I was just going over it again.
Got you. Understood. That looks really good, man. Outstanding. Outstanding. See how much easier it is after you scrubbed it? It's not like you're trying to scrub stains out. You already did the scrubbing. Now you're sanitizing and vacuuming the moisture away. So what is this going to achieve? This is going to achieve that you, hey Jason, hey Steve, hey Kevin, try to keep it in the same direction.
Can I stand here and do it this way? Because like if I'm going to do it.
Okay, yeah, do what you gotta do, yep. Yes, there you go. You want to make nice even here you go. That's it. Hot dog it, that's it, that's it. Come back over wet. Go back over it. Go back over the section you did. And then come back dry. Very nice. I don't know if you noticed, you're clean over 200 degrees right now. Clean over 200 degrees. Right now, you're just pulling up all the dust, germs, and debris. Absolutely, Jason. Absolutely. It'd be my pleasure to work with my Chicago connection. Outstanding. If you see, you don't even, now you're just doing it. You don't even feel like you have to think about it. I tell you, there's nothing more reassuring or a great feeling to know you can walk into someone's home and know when you walk out, it's going to be a total difference that you left behind. The real test is when the husband comes home from work, because you know how we are. We don't notice nothing. We just like, oh, sure, dear, good. The carpets are clean. But when they walk in, they be like, oh, wow, these guys did a good job. You see what I'm saying? Outstanding. All right, carpet cleaning world. I'm going to finish training Anthony here. We got some more work to do today, so we got to keep it moving. But I just wanted to let you guys experience, if you ever consider, or if you think you want to do a ride along with me, you could call my office at 484-420-7220, and you could be on one of these videos where Anthony is right now. And remember, with a ride along with me, it's not just about learning how to push a wand. You're going to get experience with rotary jet equipment. You're going to get experience with tile and grout equipment. You're going to get your money's worth. Even if you don't plan on using all these tools, you will have learned how to use them and be able to when the time is right for you. But I want to thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.